All right, dropping in. Fresh loam, baby. Oh yeah, double black right off the top. Super loamy. Woo! Oh yeah, just getting it in the old boots. Holy fuck! Ah! Oh, stupid mistake there. Keep riding. Yeah, now I'm getting the hang of it, just skiing through it. Oh fuck.
Face shots on your bicycle.
Not often. Today is one of those days. Come on, Dave. Holy fuck, buddy. Ho ho ho! That was quite the descent. I got so much shit in my shoes and my ass crack too. Go for it. Oh god damn it! Oh, this is fucking insane. Really putting the low light setting to the test here today. What's this?
Yeah, this is a new one.
Yeah. Sick. I was imagining groomed.
Yeah, I don't remember any other options aside from this. And that weird little one that we knocked off.
Well, it's at a blue jump trail, so. Oh my god. Huh. Oh, come on, I made it. Yeah. You good? Okay. Oh my god. Dude.
I need a new helmet.
Yeah, so far this is nothing like I envisioned. Here's the jumps. Okay. Cheers, Dave.
Cheers indeed.
Mm. Smoke cleared out a bit. Awesome. Sweet. How's that? Pretty sweet. Yeah. This one right here, a little more challenging. This part right here. Oh! Oh, fuck! Oh! 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 Oh. Yeah. Oh. 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 I was trying to readjust my foot on my pedal, and then I clipped my pedal off this. Oh, no. And it fucking dead stop. Sweet. Thanks.
Rubber side down.
That was the third one. That's it. We're done for today. Oh, dude, I bent my pedal.
Really?
Yeah, I bent my pedal, or I bent my crank.
Oh, it looks like the pedal.
Are you fucking serious? How do you bend a Saint pedal?
Unless it actually like maybe crossed the threads. Does the axle look?
Yeah, here we go.
Oh, good, man.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, what happened there, Dave? It's fucking weird trying to pedal with this thing. We're back. Nice. Woohoo! Oh my god. I tried to manny that, and then my pedal being bent put me in a weird place. Like I almost went off the trail. Oh yeah. Oh, I got sweat in my eye. Can't see. Oh yeah, taking the high line. Oh.
Difficult to make big wheels cutty. Like,
To what?
I want a smaller back wheel so you can
Oh, cutty.
get sideways, you know?
Yeah.
Go for it, this doesn't happen.
Just need to drink a few more beers, Dave. Or just cheat and use the brake. Oh God. Oh. Whew. Body. Putting a clinic on it. Oh, missing more.